Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of cerebrum per histology practical and slide. There are four identification points of cerebrum. Number one, outer gray matter is present. Number two, pyramidal cells in gray matter. Number three, outer gray matter having 6 layers. And number four, inner white matter is present. These are the four identification points of cerebrum per histology practical and slide. I already upload the cerebrum detailed slide explanation video on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. Now I will upload these identification points also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, each slide detailed explanation video and each slide identification points per practical and slide. If you like my videos, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button. And also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.